In this lesson, we're taking a step forward in algebra. We'll learn about something called a coefficient and how it helps us solve simple multiplication equations. If you understood variables and constants from the last video, this lesson will feel like the next puzzle piece. Let's dive in. What is a coefficient? In algebra, when a number is written in front of a letter, it means we're multiplying that number with the letter. For example, 2x means 2 times x. 5y means 5 times y. That number in front, the 2 or the 5, is called a coefficient. So a coefficient tells us how many times we're multiplying the variable. Think of it like this. If you have 2 apples, that's the same as 2 times apple. Simple multiplication equations. Let's look at some simple equations that include coefficients. Example 1. 2x equals 6. This means 2 times a number equals 6. What number multiplied by 2 gives 6? Answer: x equals 3. We divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2 equals 6 divided by 2. So, x equals 3. More examples. Example 2. 4x equals 20. Divide both sides by 4. X equals 5. Example 3. 3x equals 12. Divide both sides by 3. X equals 4. Example 4. 5y equals 15. What times 5 gives 15? Y equals 3. Why this matters? This step is important because later, you'll see equations that mix addition, subtraction, and multiplication. But before that, you must be confident with one-step multiplication equations. When you see something like 3x, always remember, it means 3 times x. To solve, you just do the opposite. If it's multiplying, you divide. Mini-test, challenge. Let's see what you've learned. Try these quick problems. Pause the video if needed. Question 1. 6x equals 18. What is x? Answer: x equals 3. Question 2. 2y equals 10. What is y? Answer: y equals 5. Question 3. 8m equals 64. What is m? Answer: m equals 8. Nice work. Each time you divide, you're balancing the equation. Now you understand coefficients and how to solve simple multiplication equations. In the next video, we'll learn to combine steps, using both multiplication and addition or subtraction in the same equation. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next part of this series. Thanks for watching Maths Masterclass. See you in episode 4.